Look at that. Is that sea spray? What is that? Oh, that's the... That looks like the sand, the soft sand. Ooh, man. Holy crap. I hit something there. Like a little thermal. That was weird. You could see it. Yeah, there's some weird winds here. Oh, looky there. There's a freaking helicopter. I'm glad I saw him. Let's see if we can keep this thing going. He could knock me down just from there. We'll wait. Let's see what happens here. See where he goes. Yeah. Just get on the ground a little bit, wait him out. See if any kind of turbulence comes through. Will definitely chop up the air, even that far away. One time I was flying and I had a helicopter about that far away from me hit me with the rotor wash. That's it, and it almost knocked my boarding kite out of the air. I could feel the turbulence. I think we're safe right now. I think if we were going to get hit by anything, we would have already gotten hit by it. We'll have to keep an eye out for him. I'm glad I came back down this way. I didn't have to land down there.